Barnaby's Big Blue Marble. After their long adventure through the planets, Barnaby felt a gentle nudge from his mom. Time to head home, little astronaut. As they zipped away from distant Neptune, the familiar blue and green marble of Earth grew larger and larger in their viewport. Look, Mom, it's even prettier from far away. It truly is, sweetie. That blue is all the oceans, vast bodies of salt water that cover most of our planet. They were formed over billions of years as water vapor cooled and rained down again and again. As they got closer, the swirling white clouds parted, revealing massive land masses. Those are continents, huge stretches of land that rose up from the oceans over an incredible amount of time, shifting and moving very, very slowly. What are those bumpy parts? Those are mountains, giant peaks formed when Earth's crust crashed together, pushing the land upwards over millions of years, like two big bunnies pushing each other really, really slowly. And those thin, curvy bits? Those are valleys, often carved out by rivers flowing through them, or by glaciers slowly grinding across the land. They glided over shimmering patches of blue that weren't quite oceans. Are those giant puddles? Almost. Those are lakes, big bodies of fresh water. Some were left behind by ancient glaciers, others by volcanoes, or even rivers changing course over time. As they made their final approach, they flew over vast, rugged stretches, brown and gray and crumbly. And those crumbly-looking places? Those are rocky deserts. Deserts form where there's very little rain. The rocks underneath are Earth's building blocks, some from cooling lava, some from tiny grains of sand pressed together over millions of years. Their imaginary spaceship landed softly back on the living room sofa. Barnaby's head buzzed with images of oceans, mountains, valleys, lakes, and ancient rocks. Wow, Mom, Earth is like a giant, super old artwork, and it's still the best place for carrots. It certainly is, sweetie. It certainly is. And as Barnaby looked out their real window at the familiar garden, he learned that every mountain, every river, every lake had been shaped slowly, lovingly over time, like a beautiful old painting we get to live inside.